Hola, welcome to my YouTube channel Tales by Mishi. So today I have bring some beautiful, elegant nail art 2026. It's a very beautiful and elegant look. You can create it on your nails regularly, party wear, summer nail art, beautiful nude colors. I hope you guys like it. I'm just loving this nail art. It's very simple, creative, and pretty. Oh my god, this black is so nice. These are acrylics. Oh, this blue nude color. Wow, this is perfect for summer. Beautiful. Oh, pretty. All the colors are nude, simple, perfect for summer nail art. You can create easily at home. Wow, beautiful. So nice. Beautiful rainbow nail art. It's also very nice. Beautiful colors combination. This is very simple. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy the video. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.